Here I am going to show you how to build a very simple fun player with Arduino. If you know a bit about cricket, then there is a batsman and a bowler. Bowler throws the ball towards batsman and the batsman has to hit the ball without getting out. Here bowler is me as a human and batsman is this little robot which will react to the sonar sensor position, less than 4 inches distance, and then activate the batsman function to hit the ball. It's simple fun project to spend free time, and if you want you can enhance it in so many ways. Especially if it can be done with OpenCV or vision-based detection system. Project code is very simple to understand. First we declare the 2 servo motors required as well as trigger and echo pins for sonar. Then we initiate the serial port as well as attach the servo motors to their relevant pins. Trigger pin should be output and echo should be input pin. Then in the main loop we will declare the necessary variables as well as get distance from sonar sensor by sending low and high pulse to trigger pin. Distance is converted to inches, and when it is less than 4 inches the motors are activated in a fashion mimicking the movement of batsman. I hope you enjoy it and hope to see you next time.